LaShawn, there is a shortage of court reporters. So I'm still looking for a court reporter. Hopefully we'll get applicants.
You posted it, Judge?
Yes, I think it's been posted. Well, when I say posted, admin has posted it. So if you know of anyone who's looking for a job court reporting, tell them to come on in.
399th is looking for one too.
We're not advertising for them. We'll take care of ours first.
They're looking, but they still have a reporter right now.
Yeah.
Okay, she's supposed to retire, right?
Yes.
What I heard.
We'll take care of their need for a court reporter later.
After.
Yeah, after we have one.
Keep coming up every year. Yeah, this every year. I guess I have a new thing.
I have this for thousands and
They're looking into another.
yeah.
And it's just two missing.
Yeah.
Two missing. I'm not
That's,
missing.
well, let's see, the injury to the elderly is years. They got a criminal trespass.
Two criminal trespassing cases
My order on the second one only got one
and the possession.
possession.
Mhm.
Probably some of them do.
New missing one, should I just-
Because, I mean, what's the date of
Let's
it?
see.
I got them on the injury to the elderly in May of 23.
See.
Oh, shit.
And I keep running into your previous client.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's looking fabulous.
That's great. He's always respectful, I hope.
Oh, yes.
The way you're saying it, I thought he was, but I thought I better check.
Oh, no. He's nice.
Now, it's the different, you know how like you have the state and the defendant for civil cases, what side of it be? Is he running into you in your work sphere, or are you running into him in his?
Well, sometimes I'll see him and it's when I'm walking to the HEB.
That's what you've told me
Yeah.
before the first time you told me it was at HEB.
Yeah, but he appeared clean, sober, everything.
Wonderful. Glad to hear. Someday I'll get you and we'll have a talk about that
Hmm.
someday. I just have the one criminal trespass. I can't see the other one. I know you.
But the people are appointed, it's 10/10/2022.
They didn't say anything. And that's a
Probably because they were on the
possession case.
the other case too, so the one is probably keep it in between.
Oh, yeah.
May 2nd of this year. Oh, 23? Oh, no. October. I don't, but I think on October 2nd. Pretty cheap. I have the injury, but not the other one. Oh, yeah. No, see, wait, no. Is it 733-235? 99.
Oh,
Oh, there we go, 20-10-10-23.
go.
But that was after, yes. First, but I'm not on the misdemeanor, that's Jacqueline Lamerson. So they got nothing. Whatever, you know, I'm losing the grades. But I do have those. But I am. Two criminal trespass,
One, a professional misdemeanor,
that's me.
and then the other one, which is you also the increase in elderly violence.
Yeah, that's still a nightmare.
Yes.
No, that's a 2852. Oh, look, there's possession of 1 gram, 2852.
Yes.
But the injury to elder is still a nightmare.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, I, so I've been working on the possession case. Not the nightmare case. You might be able to-
Yeah.
Yeah. If you could say, I got all that information, but I don't have the opinion.
Okay.
That's what's key.
I mean, it's like on the nightmare, if you put it on the. That's why.
23rd of 2023, correct, I got that one.
And I think that's where they have moved to your two other ones. Is because they already have ones that are having two different. So you made the one that's indicted on the 2852.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom. All right, and is there a plea on two cases?
Yes.
Let's see. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 00806 and 2024 CR 3222. State of Texas versus April Elizabeth Davila. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Sadelman.
Defense.
Brenda Levenstein for for Ms. Davila.
And are you Ms. Davila?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery in each of these cause numbers and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Davila, in each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision
Yes.
with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yep.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
In each cause number, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State in the cause number 2024 CR 00860, are you proceeding in the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number in 2024 CR 3222, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Davila, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions?
Yes.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? And did you understand those documents?
Mhm.
That's, you're gonna have to say yes or no. And the cause number ending in 8060, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. And the cause number ending in 3222, you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced. Those are state jail felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow those agreements. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered agreement will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand in each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering into a plea bargain agreement in these cause numbers, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each cause number?
Yes.
And each cause number, did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Davila, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
In each cause number, the cases are to run concurrently. All right, let me ask you all, what is cause number 2024 PF 11430?
Your
It's a
Honor,
misdemeanor failure to ID in County Court 12.
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas. Yes, that's correct, Judge.
Okay, all right, so that's, and the reason why I ask, because it says 2024 PF, and usually those are the felony cases sent to Judge Nahara, but now I understand why it's running concurrent. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, and so each cause number is to run concurrent. They're also to run concurrent with 2024 PF 11430. State is taking in consideration 2024 PF 11429, night mag number 764428, And again, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your
Yes,
plea?
ma'am.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
Outside the agreement, in each cause number, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a drug court evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, and a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense in cause number 2024 CR 08060. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
And in the cause number 2024 CR 3222, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State any evidence to support the defendant's pleas?
Be contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Your Honor.
Any
No
objection?
objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you,
And
Your
each cause number, did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial?
Yes,
A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes,
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause number. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that Ms. Davila understands what she needs to do on probation. When she's gonna do her best.
All right, how old are you?
40.
All right, why are you stealing?
Well, because didn't have a job and I was trying to support my family.
When you say support your family, who is your family?
It was my husband back then.
So the family you're trying to support is you're trying to support your husband by stealing?
Yes, I was.
All right, and what does he do for a living?
Nothing.
Okay, so why are you trying to support someone who does nothing? So when were you two married?
No, not married. It was common law.
All right, so were you homeless or no?
No,
So where is he?
he lives in Mexico.
So when you were committing these offenses, was he living here?
No,
So you're stealing,
and going over there to sell it.
okay. Do you have any children?
No,
Are you a citizen?
yes.
So how are you supporting yourself other than stealing?
Oh, right now, I'm not.
All right, why don't you have employment or why didn't you have employment?
I just haven't gotten a job.
I'm sorry, what?
I just hadn't gotten a job, no ID, nothing.
So in all of your life, you never had an ID?
Yes, but in 2014 was the last year I had my ID.
So what happened to your ID?
I got lost and I just never got it renewed.
I mean, it's easy to get an ID.
Yeah.
How are you paying your bills if you don't have an ID?
Well, no, I was living with my sister
Okay.
and she works, so she pays the bills.
So I don't understand what you've been doing with your life. Do you have any children?
No.
So what have you been, how far did you go in school?
9th grade,
And why only ninth grade?
because my dad got sick and I just didn't go back. I stayed home to help take care of him.
All right, and how old is your sister?
2 years older than me.
So why didn't she just stay?
She did.
All right, your story's not really making much sense to the court.
That's my story.
So how often have you been using drugs?
For about 5 years.
And when did you start?
In 2020,
And why did you start using?
just as I was depressed, my mom had just passed away.
And what did you start using?
Heroin.
And how often were you using heroin?
At first, not every day, but it turned into every day.
And how did you support your habit?
By stealing,
And what else?
and that's all. I would steal and sell the stuff.
Who's buying pliers from you?
No, I would use that to cut the alarms off. No one would buy pliers from me.
Okay. All right. Anything else I should know about your client? Then in the cause number ending in 3222, this is what the court will do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 008060, 2024 PF 11430. Take in consideration 2024 PF 11429, night mag number 764428. The following will take place in custody: a referral to felony drug court, TAP evaluation, MIC evaluation. If not accepted, I'm sorry, that's the order I wanted in: felony drug court, then TAP evaluation, MIC evaluation, and we'll do a referral to Esperanza Court as the last one. And if not accepted, then it's going to be inpatient treatment. Ms. Abrams, what inpatient treatment would they recommend? She had been using heroin daily if she's not accepted into felony drug court.
Start off with daily is.
She needs to be in an inpatient treatment facility.
Say, say guys or say.
All right, safe P. Upon release, there's to be regular reporting in person, the UA hotline, proof of employment, within 30 days of release. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. Field visits one time per month until further notice. There should be 120 hours of community service restitution. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? What do you want to do with your life?
Have a normal life, like be working, have a car, hopefully an apartment,
All right, so where do you want, what type of job are you looking for?
well, anywhere that'll hire me.
Okay, well, no, I mean, what's your dream job?
Oh, a nail tech,
Okay,
yes.
all right, it's gonna be 120 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived if she completes her GED or if she obtains some sort of trade school certification. So if you want to be a nail tech, start working towards that and I'll waive the community service hours. Do you understand?
Yes.
Probation, is there anything else she needs under that cause number? Is there anything else you need from me under that cause number?
No,
All right, and the cause, everyone please whisper. And cause number 2024 CR 008060. Court will sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine, probated. Concurrent with 2024 CR 008060. 2024 PF 11430. Taking consideration 2024 PF 11429, night mag number 764428. In custody, the following evaluations: referral to felony drug court, TAP eval, MIC eval, Esperanza Court. If not accepted, then inpatient treatment at safety. Upon release, it's to be regular reporting in person, the UA hotline until further notice. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. Field visits one time per month until further notice. 120 hours community service restitution. If you complete the GED or obtain a trade school certificate, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else under that cause number? All right, is there anything else you need from the court under that cause number that can help you?
no,
All right, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
yes, ma'am,
And did you understand it and sign it?
yes,
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes,
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you have an issue and you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand?
yes,
All right, good luck to you.
thanks.
Have a seat, ma'am.
And State, do you have those dismissals for me to sign?
Thank you.
Okay. All righty. Oh, let
I did,
Jason know.
I did.
Okay, all right, thank you.
I got one up there on the bench for you, discovery compliance.
All right, just give me a moment.
That's the interpreter's word.
All right, just give me a moment. Number, which page is Davis on?
Okay, for starting off.
Taj Davis?
You got a last page, you on page 8.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, no. What's the date?
She has a new.
All right, so, hi. Yes. Hi,
Maria asked me to give you this personally,
thank you so much.
and would you mind?
Oh, sure, Miss.
Thank you.
Oh, and let me ask you, so. Okay, so I need a copy of these. Could she send me another one?
I don't, she just had to hand this personally. She did.
Okay.
But if you need me to, I'll go back and
Oh, yes, ask them if they can make one more copy.
one more.
Yes, okay.
Are they the same or?
Yeah, they're the same.
Okay.
And she actually has them up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so these are two different. So ask her if she can just make one more USB for both of these.
Okay.
All right.
I will.
All right, thank you so
My
much.
pleasure.
And everyone, just give me a moment and I'll take up the other cases. Odyssey is a little bit slow. I figure you all would be able to come up with something, right? Nora was saying that door. But I don't know. I don't know. All right, who's here on? Oh, that's done. Sandy Garcia?
There's one with a motion that Jason will wants to reapproach.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's the attorney for Sandy Garcia?
Yeah. Thanks, Dan.
Hello, hi. So my understanding is, she doesn't want to do Esperanza Court, am I right?
I don't know about that, Your Honor. Question I have though.
Mhm.
She bonded out, Your Honor, and she picked up a new case, assault to injury to either elderly or child. You didn't specify which one. I just saw
Mhm.
that. I think they did a mental health assessment, requested order. I don't know if that's been completed, but I don't know. I gotta check with Esperanza Court. I'm not sure if a assaultive offense will disqualify her from being in Esperanza
Well,
Court.
my understanding, she didn't want to be in Esperanza Court.
I did not hear that.
Who knows whether or not, Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
was there a report received back on Sandy Garcia on Esperanza Court?
If you give me just a second, Judge, let me. Yes, it's right here. My mom made that kind of affidavit in my prosecution.
So you-
Okay. And Jennifer,
Yes.
I will send that to you. I will give you the April Davila files in just a moment.
Okay.
Yeah, she made it clear to them she didn't want to be in the program, so that has passed. So there we are. So she's not going back to Esperanza Court. I'm not doing another referral. They are busy. All of the treatment programs are busy, and to have someone, you know, up for the assessment, and then they said, no, I don't want to do it. So we're not doing that. So has all of the discovery been received?
Well, it's been, she hasn't been reviewed yet. I just got appointed July 11th, Your Honor, on these calls, these cases, Your Honor.
All right,
And now she has a new one that I just got appointed on maybe 2 weeks ago.
all right.
That was on vacation.
So we are going to come back. Norma, recall this back for September 16th for discovery. And then after that, we're going to be setting it for jury trial. State, you need to be prepared to tender an offer on September 16th.
Well, so if my understanding is correct, and counsel brought me up to speed a little bit, there are the two cases that I have here in my hand that he has conferred with my colleagues in CTD. And then in August, not even July, in August, this individual allegedly picked up a new offense. So I've given them, meaning counsel, the contact information for the intakers. And that is the status update I have to give to defense. But other than that, that's all I know about the case, is an offense date from August. This individual is allegedly having picked up another case.
Okay. So we're coming back on September 16th for discovery. And then after that, if no agreements are reached, the next setting is going to be a jury trial date, and will be, this will be the case that will be tried.
Which one's that?
Prostitution.
I'll talk to my.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. Jennifer, do you have the 1937 case?
Which one's on who?
Sandy Garcia?
Is that the new one?
I think maybe so. I'll just put it in,
Yes.
Odyssey.
So the two cases that I have are the 008060
Mhm.
and then the 3222.
Your Honor.
The other are two PS, those are misdemeanors. I don't have.
No. 2024, 1937 and 1936 on Sandy Garcia.
Oh, I'm sending that.
Yeah.
No, I don't have them.
Okay, so there's that one for her. There you go.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
So this one right here is 1936.
Yes, and I don't have the 1937. All right, who's here on Jacob Rodriguez?
I am Judge. Judge, it was something that granted.
Mhm.
We added as a condition GPS. I have them down in satellite. Satellite says that they can't, he would have to go to the jail to put GPS on. Is it possible to have him install that within 72 hours? That way he can contact through satellite. Thank you,
Yes.
Judge. I just need to make that amendment and hopefully they
Okay.
still have them. Thank you.
Sure. State, do you have any objection on Jacob Rodriguez to the court ordering that GPS be installed within 72 hours?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah, because I'm responsible for calling them.
Yeah, no, I can, no,
But,
I just.
yeah.
You're better than.
Stay here.
Well, I'm almost, I have a year to finish it.
No, someone tells me before you went there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take care.
All right, who's here on Elisa Hernandez? All right, Ms. Hernandez, come down, please. All right, so where are we on this case?
Today, on the drug case, we're supposed to be on a discovery compliance or see where we're on that. She has a night mag subsequent to, or previous to that on injury to elderly
Yes.
that nothing's been done. And then I think we had a referral to mental health court in the
Yes.
interim. She has 2 misdemeanor cases that I am not the attorney on. I think Ms. Lemerson is on one, if not both.
Well, what I have is that she had a caseworker assigned to her for the mental health, August 6th. And then we're back here for a discovery on the injury to the elderly case, because that was previously pending.
That's on the, I think that's on the drug case.
No.
No.
So we have the drug case. And then she got a case manager August 6th for mental health issues, I believe.
Right.
And then also what was supposed to be said today is to see where we were on discovery for the injury to the elderly case. I know that's unindicted.
We looked at it on the drug case,
Okay, yeah.
not on the injury. I tell you what, if it helps any, I know your people aren't here for injury to elder, but I gotta be back in the courtroom, house tomorrow morning. I can check with them in the morning, see what the
Okay.
status is, report back to the court.
Okay. So, when do you want it recalled for?
Well,
Mr.
you said September 16th for somebody. I checked my date. That's fine if it's okay with you.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, can we recall Elisa Hernandez for September 16th for discovery?
And then I'll report back to you after I talk to them to see if they're gonna do anything with that
All right.
application.
All right, thank you. Do you have any
Thank you.
questions?
I'm still gonna be incarcerated till then?
Yes.
At least till we can talk to them and then we'll see if we can maybe work something out for you if we have to.
Okay.
Okay? All right, hang in there. Thank you.
Thank you. Mark Morgan, I'm sorry, just 1 second. We have an interpreter here.
Sure.
Froilan Guzman Velasquez. All right. So on, the court is going to go on the record, 2022 CR 10958B, State of Texas versus Froilan Guzman Velasquez. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Diego Escobar for the state of Texas.
Rafael Lealpo for Lang Guzman Velasquez.
All right, and I believe you have co-counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, Brian Kimbrough.
All right, so the first issue that we need to address is transcripts of conversations that include jail calls, and it's conversations related to someone impersonating an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so, and state, I believe previously you had tendered an offer in this case, that is correct?
Yes, Judge.
And is that offer still open?
Yes, Judge.
All right, So, and Mr. Leal,
Yeah.
you speak Spanish fluently?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So the court is in receipt of the transcribed jail calls and video calls. On the documentation, it's a total of 47 documents. And both have been translated verbatim. There's a USB drive that has the calls and video calls. And then there's a blue USB that shows all of the calls transcribed and translated verbatim. What the court is going to do is the court is going to give those items to defense counsel. The court will also review those items without defense counsel's objection, correct?
No objection.
Right. And the only persons who will review this so far will be the defense attorney in the court. And the court will make a determination of whether or not any of this is attorney-client privilege. Anything else with regards to that?
No, Your Honor.
For the record, the court is giving those items to defense counsel. I'm going to set this for a plea deadline date for September 16th. There will be no further extensions of plea deadline dates in this case. If there is no agreement reached, then your next setting is going to be a quick turnaround for a jury trial. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And I'm sorry, I did not do this. Could I have the interpreter, if you could raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Your Honor, the interpreter's name is Jorge Valle.
All right. And Mr. Valle, have you been interpreting faithfully from English into Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the defense, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Norma, if you'll put that down for a plea deadline date on the 16th.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Approach.
Yes, you may.
We were saying if she could have the USBs to make the copy.
Oh, Mr. Leal. Could you come forward for a moment? All right, That's okay.
Oh my God.
All right, if you could give that to her so that they can make an extra copy. And they'll make an extra copy real quick so you can have it. All right, it'll be an extra, yeah, they're gonna do it now. And so it'll be an extra copy so that I can have one, okay?
All right.
All right, thank you.
I'll
But
be
just
right
remain
back.
here.
Sure.
All right,
Thank
thank you. Mark Anthony Morgan. Hello. Hi, so where are we on discovery?
Discovery seems to be sufficient, Judge, at this time.
Okay. All right, State, were you able to tender an offer?
Yes, Judge.
All right, sir, how old are you?
53.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, Can you recall this the second week in September for a plea deadline date, please?
Yes. I can do September 10th.
All right, September tenth is going to be your plea deadline date. At that time, you'll need to let the court know whether you've reached an agreement with the state.
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is this path for?
Where they're supposed to sign in, but it's not working. It's
Oh,
configuration.
Yeah.
You know, look fancy.
Yes.
It's nice.
Right now. Doesn't work.
But they changed everything around in the back room that we can't use. Tamika Studemeyer.
There you are.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh, come forward. All right, you need to make sure you're on time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so what's going on here?
Conferred with the state.
Your Honor, I want about 2 weeks so that I can contact the complainants in this case, determine their position on plea offers, and then from that, make a plea offer to the defendant.
All right, so do you have all discovery?
Yes, yeah, I've downloaded Discovery. As far as I know, I've got it all. Whatever's up on the Discovery, I got all that.
All right, Norma, I need a reset date, 2 weeks. States you need to be prepared to tender an offer at that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
September 9th.
All right, we'll be back on September 9th. All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Excuse.
Yes, once she signs the reset form.
You give her a reset form. Yes, your attorney, you can have a seat, your attorney will take it to you. Yeah, I did. What is the business? We don't really need. We'll just have to- if we can update one amount, compliments issued, it's issued under the document, it's issued under. So do that, I would have to recall my issue. And we can move on. It's still gonna show in the on there because in the warrant issue. Now we have. Like I can't change the amount I remember if I can this issue. The judgment.
Not yours.
All right.
Yeah, no, you have to like the one itself.
Ms.
when
Studemeyer,
if it says in there-
can you come forward for a moment, please?
$10,000, when the one's issued, that's when you put bond set at $1. But in this case, I can't go back in. I
All
would
right,
have to
your
call
attorney
the information
informed me about
change
the death you had in your family.
Click on the
Have
phone.
you been able to see anyone?
Yes. Like, oh, I'm calling you back. Like, I'm calling you back. Okay, can you open and look at the case with me real quick? So I'll make sure. I'm not gonna do
Okay, sure.
Yeah, right there. I know it's not gonna happen. Thank you. Okay, so this guy, yeah, never one, obviously, you can see that, but his attorney walked into me. Put a bond, and they had to follow. So I already put in the bond thing, on the bond. And I'm like, well, you need to, I'll say for anything, but she'll take it. And like, yeah, you can go in and and we update the bond if it is. Right? It was. I said, so, especially the number one. I said, I said, the one issue I don't have to recall the issue.
Yes.
It's just like, I can't.
Okay, let me, just give me one moment. Sir, come down. You're Mr. Collins? All right, your attorney is actually on vacation.
It was last time.
Yeah, we're gonna bring you back on September 9th. If he's not here, we'll take care of we'll do something else.
Say that, I wouldn't mind at this moment, like, just speaking for myself.
Yeah, we'll bring you back on September 9th.
Okay.
All right,
So
all right, thank you.
Okay. No, I don't think anything has changed. But nothing I thought I think to the concept of this. But I don't know where. I don't actually recall negotiate it. I agree with you here.
Yes,
Yes, just for the record, I wanted to change counsel from this approach. I don't think they have my best interest in mind.
all right, we'll take that up on the 9th. You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay, I have something to say more. Right.
Okay, let me see, who do we have left? All right, Norma, can you call Acevedo and Trevino? And could, and if you can call Raymond Martinez or either Victoria on Araceli Robles. And then that will be it. So we need those two.
So,
All right, well, they have to bring something. All right, are you all ready on Trevino?
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Tomorrow?
All right, what is happening with Trevino?
I sent a request to SAPD's tag detail, asking them to produce Coban that I suspect exists based off of the fact that two of the detectives who conducted the detention of Mr. Trevino were in a patrol car, and patrol vehicles typically are equipped with Coban systems.
All right, so do we know if they, so you said you attempted to reach out or have you made contact?
Just sent the request to the tag detail email address. I don't know when they will respond, but it will typically be within a day.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, where's Mr. Trevino? Come forward.
Now, I don't know what we will learn when they respond.
Okay. All right, this is going to be the last discovery date. Norma, recall this for September 16th for discovery,
Yes, ma'am.
and there'll be no further discoveries. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Norma, we will be back tomorrow
Yes, ma'am.
at 9 a.m. Bye.